In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Fluency Assistance in Grammarly in just a few simple steps. This is a useful feature if you want Grammarly to help make your writing sound more natural, smoother, and easier to read. Whether you're writing emails, documents, or content for work, turning this on can make a big difference in the clarity and flow of your writing. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com, then log into your Grammarly account. Once you're signed in, look at the left navigation sidebar. Depending on your account type, you may see either account or admin panel there. Click on the one that appears in your dashboard to open your settings area. After that, find and click on Writing. This section contains the writing and language options for your Grammarly account. Inside Writing, select Language Settings. This is where Grammarly keeps the controls for language-related features, including fluency support. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Fluency Assistance. Under that section, you'll see the option that says, I want Fluency Assistance. Turn that setting on. As soon as you enable it, Grammarly will begin offering more helpful suggestions to improve the natural flow of your writing. This can be especially useful if you want your text to sound more polished, more professional, or easier for readers to understand. Once the setting is enabled, you can close the menu and continue writing as usual. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully activated Fluency Assistance in Grammarly. From here, Grammarly should be better equipped to help you refine sentence flow and improve readability as you work. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.